Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make stew in Chef Umami full guide. Start by prepping all ingredients and setting your Chef Umami range to medium-high heat, then sear meat in batches to brown evenly. Use the same pot to cook onions and aromatics until soft, deglaze with stock, add vegetables and simmer gently. Taste and adjust seasoning, then finish with herbs for layered, balanced stew every time. Trim excess fat and cut meat into even cubes so each piece cooks uniformly in Chef Umami. Chop carrots, potatoes, and celery to similar sizes to ensure consistent tenderness, and mince garlic for even distribution. Pre-measure stock, wine if using, and salt so adjustments are simple while simmering. Keep bay leaves and thyme ready to drop in, and reserve a splash of acid to brighten the stew at the end for balance. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: stay hydrated anywhere with the Owala water bottle, which fits cup holders and keeps drinks cold during long cooks. It's a handy kitchen companion. I find it perfect when I'm stirring a slow stew for hours and need something reliable nearby. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Brown meat in small batches to avoid steaming and build rich fond at the bottom of the pot in your Chef Umami. After searing, remove meat and cook onions until translucent, then deglaze with stock to dissolve brown bits into the sauce. Return meat, add vegetables, and simmer at low heat while occasionally skimming foam. Cook until meat yields easily to a fork and the sauce clings to a spoon for perfect stew texture.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.